Hi, we're the Douglas family, and we're solar powered!
My name is Cammie. This is my 12-year-old son, Brant, 21-year-old daughter, Haley, and 15-year-old daughter, Kirsten. This is us. We're really excited that we have solar. It's been a great change in our lives. When we first moved to California, our first power bill was $600, and that was really shocking to us. That's when we first said, we really need to look into getting solar. We've done a lot of research on different places, different companies we wanted to use. Our neighbor had actually used the same installer that we ended up going with, highly recommended him, had great things to say, so we went ahead and used them.
We're so happy that the Douglases are enjoying their solar panels. Jinko Solar has been the world's largest selling solar panel since 2016. We're publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange and have certified the highest performing panels in the world. That's really led us to have reliability and trust from our customers. There's many different factors of what makes a perfect solar house. In the Douglases' case, they have a huge roof that is exposed to sun throughout the majority of the day. They also are constantly doing stuff with their huge family, so their electricity bill is pretty large.
There's always constantly loads of laundry being done. Softball gets your clothes really, really dirty. Laundry is a great thing to have solar panels for because it's always constant.
On the house behind us, we have mono PERC modules. These are in the 60 cell designed for residential capacity. The mono PERC is a special panel that is going to increase your efficiency, so you can only put a few panels on the roof and you're still going to get a lot more energy coming from the panels themselves.
It's been great. Our bills went down, down, down. One of our first bills we got was $30, and this last month we didn't pay any. That was exciting.
It's actually gotten a lot easier for homeowners to go solar. With the different financing options, as well as the lower cost of goods, your payback period is a lot quicker than it used to be.
Even after our loan, we're still money ahead, so it's been fun to figure out ways to use that money.
The Douglases have only lived here for a few months, but they've already seen a return on investment from their Jinko solar panels.
Our solar is paying for itself.
Jinko has incorporated DuPont's premium product line in order to protect our modules for the 25-year warranty. They actually invented nylon and Kevlar, so you know they're good with durable and reliable products. Our panels are the only panels that are field proven to deliver long-term performance and lasting value.
One of the things we worried about when we were talking about doing solar is we've heard of the solar panels malfunctioning. We thought, you know what, with the money that we'd like to save, we wanted to go ahead, so we went for it. We've never had a single problem. And also knowing that Jinko has a 25-year warranty, we didn't feel like we had anything to worry about.
Jinko has partnered with Maxim Integrated in order to solve the shading issue, as well as any issue with a complex roof or even a small roof. The chip itself, as you can see, is the size of a dime and comes embedded in our panels. With that, it means that you can install the panels like any other normal panel without any special training, and you get all the optimization, all the benefits without having any knowledge of it. Everything in the Douglases' house is being powered by solar. From their video games, the microwave, the TV for family night, even the hot tub under these cool California night skies. Everything is being run on solar. For future homeowners that are wondering if their house is going to be right for solar or not, Jinko has advanced technology where we're able to produce a lot of power on their roof from both cold climates, warm climates, shady, small roofs, or even complex roofs. We're able to get the most bang for their buck out of the panels. Now that the Douglases are solar powered, they're able to take all that savings and spend it on even more activities with each other.
With the money that we're saving, we want to put back into the house and do some upgrades. We've saved enough money, we were able to put in a new pool pump and start on the bathrooms and putting that money back into our home to make it the way that we love it.
When you get Jinko Solar on your roof, you're going to get trusted technology with reliable products, all backed by an industry-leading company and its partners.